What does an elephant do? Luca, what does an elephant do? Elephant.
Find a picture in the book.
What you got? Luca, you got the puppy?
What's the elephant do?
The one time. Luca, what's the elephant do? What's the elephant do? Elephant.
Where's your puppy? You got elephant. Oh, it's got her puppy.
Puppy.
Oh, kiss the puppy. Kiss the puppy.
Love the puppy.
Uh-oh.
There he goes. Love the puppy.
Love the puppy. Give the puppy a
Give the puppy a kiss.
Give kiss.
Oh. Yay.
Kiss the puppy.
Got the doggy.
Kiss the puppy. Want to give me the puppy? There we go.
Alright, we can shut Elmo up now.
For your friend? Maybe it's for Luke and I'm going.
Come on here.
Hey, we're doing circles.
You gonna dance? Come on, let's dance. Let's dance. Come on. Go over here and dance. Come on.
If I can dance with my great grandma, this is pretty
Come
cool.
on. Let's dance.
Oh, wow.
Right. Come on, dance.
Neat bike.
Come on.
Do-do-do-do-do.
Oh, come on, dance. Whoa, 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 whoa,
Do you
whoa,
want your
whoa,
dance
whoa.
or
Come on, dance.
this one, puppy?
Give the puppy a kiss.
Oh, puppy.
Come on, dance. Come on. Dance, 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 dance. Turn around. Come on, turn around. Turn around.
He's like, I gotta put puppy down. I gotta concentrate. No?
You can't do two things at once.